Hey everybody, good morning. So I just wanted to show you how to do step 2 here. So when you're deciding which detail is most important and you're recording your audio, what you're going to want to do is highlight this right here, press Control C to copy it, and then what you're going to do is open up a tab and then press Control V, and this website will pop up in front of you. And all you have to do is click Start Recording. And as you start recording, you can see right here, you know it's recording it because the lines are moving here. You have 5 minutes total that you could use. You don't have to do all 5 minutes. Once you click stop on your recording when you're done, you can hear it and play it back for yourself. But then you can also click right here, get a link. And just make sure you put your name So I would put Mr. Douglas. And then what they're going to do, you're going to click is get a link. And your link pops up right here. And all you have to do is highlight this, just like you did the other thing before. Is just highlight it. Sorry, I'm having trouble highlighting because you can see sometimes even I'm having trouble doing it. Highlight the whole thing, hit Control C again, come back to your, whoops, wrong thing. Come back here and hit Control V, and you have your posting right there for your audio recording. So that's how you submit your audio recording for step 2 of the Read Aloud.